Hi, welcome back. Um, Today I'll be planning my birthday week, um, which was last week when this is coming out. I'm doing a tropical theme. I've been obsessed with this tropical theme like since October, I think, where I just started like making my planners and everything, this tropical theme. And I really wanted it for my birthday, especially because I love the color green. So that's what I'm doing here. Oh, and I excused my head with my headset on because, like, I was listening to music. So occasionally my head might pop in, and you'll see this bright orange headset, gaming headset. Um. So anyway, my birthday. It was a crazy week. I have to say it was quite a crazy week. Um, in the week we moved my desk to the lounge and stuff. I talked about that in my previous video, I think. Um, but on Friday, my boyfriend came over. We tried to go shopping to find me a dress for my party, just so that I'll look a little bit prettier. And we couldn't find one in the like 30 minutes we had to find one. So, and then we went out for drinks with some of my mom and dad's friends. Well, my dad's friends, but yeah. And it was nice. There were some issues, but it was still nice. Saturday was the day of my party. My boyfriend and I went to get Krispy Kreme, because Krispy Kreme gave me this deal: buy a dozen, get a dozen free for your birthday, of the original glazed. I love the original glazed. I die for them, so it was amazing. Um, I we then went through to the place where we were going bowling. We had to wait for a lane, even though the lady told me like a week ago, you don't have to book, it shouldn't be a problem. But there were lanes booked, and there weren't any lanes available. I think she didn't realize that it was the end of the month. People have money now to do things like that. But anyway, so we got some bubble tea, because of course we did. I've been craving bubble tea for a while now, and that was part of the plan anyway. Um, so we did some bowling. A lot of able to show up. Two of my friends and one of my boyfriend's friends was also going to come, and it was kind of sad because, like, honestly, the two friends and my boyfriend's friend, those were right like the only other people I invited besides my family and my one aunt and cousins, two cousins that are the offspring of that aunt. Um, but anyway, uh, we'll make plans with those other people. The one person I did invite was at the drinks with my family friends thing, so like I at least got to see her. But yeah, it was it was really fun, and like I think if there had been more people, I'd have been a bit more whelmed than I was. Like like I really I the flashing lights, the sounds, and all that, it just got a bit too much for me. But anyway, um, we then my boyfriend and I did some shopping, and we did my shopping spree, which was his birthday gift to me. I bought a new planner, and I'll do a new planner lineup thing, and I'll probably also do like a review of this planner and all that, and like future plan with me's will probably be in that planner, like not the next one coming up because I've already done that in my old planner, but the one after that should be in the new planner. Yeah, I'm just really excited. And we got me my first diamond painting, and I've been doing that, and I absolutely love it. Oh, right. Let me finish talking about the planner. So it's an A5 wide rings, and it's amazing. Okay, but I'm going to move on because I want to save that for a special video. And it's just ironic that it's an A5 wide because of the Aura style cloud thing that's been going around. That's like so popular right now. But yeah, it's really useful because like you can have all four columns of your vertical in it. But anyway, so we went shopping. We got my Valentine's gift, which was a controller, so that I can play games a bit easier. My boyfriend plays a lot of Fortnite, and I was like, I want to try it. I also wanted to play some other games with the controller, like Stardew Valley and Pokemon and all those other things. Like, so I got the controller. It's a Rock Candy Lala Lime 360 controller. I love it. It's so cute. And it's been working really well. Like even just watching Netflix on my laptop is a lot easier because like you don't have to like move a mouse to like pause things and whatever. You can just lie back and use the controller. It's really nice. Um, there was more stuff we got. I went to Typo and got stickers, and I'm sure there's more. Oh, I got a dress, and we decided we're going to do our dinner date on Saturday instead of Sunday so that we can just relax on Sunday. So we went to a Japanese place called Momo, and we had ramen and bao, and oh my word, the bao is so good. We had kung pao bao. That's really fun to say, but also a bit of a tongue twister. Um, and it was just so amazing. We got another one for like a midnight snack, or another two because like they come in a thing of two. But yeah, that was amazing. We had like proper Japanese tea, and it was just really great. And then like for dinner we had steer soft serve because we wanted something light. Um, we then went and yeah, after shopping, quickly got dressed. Our feet were wrecked. Like we couldn't walk anymore because like we'd walked up and down that mall like 4 times, and it's a quite a large mall. Um, and then we went to the Japanese place. I had lost my jacket somewhere. That jacket is actually my boyfriend's jacket. Like, he got it for free, but I still feel really bad for losing it, and it's the only jacket of his that I actually approved of because, like, I'm very iffy about certain textures on my skin. Um, so that happened. I think I might have left it in one of the clothing stores when I was trying on clothes in the mall that we got Krispy Kreme at. Um, so yeah, or it's at the bowling alley, in which case I actually just need to call the bowling alley and ask, and then just go back there. So yeah, um, we had the Japanese, and it's really good, really, really good. Like, would do over a lot of other things any day. Um, and then we got home and I was really struggling like to cope with everything energy wise and just socially. But anyway, so I did some diamond painting and he played some games. I think it was Fortnite actually. And then yeah, we did that and watched a series while doing that, and then I think we went to bed quite late. But yeah, then Sunday we woke up and got McDonald's. It was too late for the McDonald's breakfast, but it was still McDonald's, which yay. And I got my iced coffee. They put too much syrup in it. By the way, McDonald's does a hazelnut iced coffee. Really good. They put too much syrup in though. And like every time we go to this McDonald's and I order that iced coffee, they always forget to make it for me. So like whenever I get my food, I'm always asking, "Where's the iced coffee?" And they're like, "Oh, we should make that." But anyway, little rant. So then we went to the Chinese mall because there was one thing on the list of the things I wanted for my birthday. It was like a wire grid that I wanted to peg photos on. But when we got there, there wasn't one in black, and my boyfriend, I don't know what that was. My boyfriend said, rather look for something else. So then I was in one of the electronic stores. It's a really good electronic store actually. And I got like a stand for my phone and all that. And nail stickers. Lots more nail stickers. With some of the money my aunt gave me for my birthday. And then I realized with this new planner, the sticker book is not. Okay, why is. Okay. Sorry, I started speaking louder because I thought my mom was going to walk into my room. She probably was going to, but heard me talking. So, I planned on getting a sticker book, the weekly color sticker book, but it's made for a vertical, and the inserts that came with this planner is horizontal, and I'm trying to make it work for now. Like, I'll make proper inserts later, but for now I just want to use what I have. And so buying that weekly color sticker book won't be as useful as like it would have been if I had stayed with this old planner that's like in front of you right now that I'm planning in. So I decided rather to buy a ring light, tripod ring light thing, and now I'll be able to film videos at night when the lighting is wacky in my room where there's less noise and all that. And yeah, it's just I think going to be a lot better. It's an amazing light, like dimmable, different warmths, heat, it warms, whatever. And yeah, it's just really great, and it has a little like clasp for my phone, so like I don't even have to use a second tripod, and it's like more out of the way and everything. So I'm actually planning on today, after doing this voiceover and moving my room around, which I was going to do anyway, to make space for that, basically my filming setup. And I also am thinking, those carts that everyone are getting from IKEA, I think, where it's like three like trays on like wheels. I'm honestly thinking of getting one just because my planner stuff don't really have a dedicated area, and so they're just constantly lying over every available surface. And if I have everything I need on that cart, I can just move that cart around between my room where I'm filming and in the lounge if I'm wanting to do other planner stuff. Like, most of the time, I think I'll keep it here in my room for filming, but other than that, I still think it's really nice, and yeah. Um, I should probably talk a bit about the weekly layout. I didn't use it much because, like, I was still, like, struggling with the figuring out what planner I'm using and all that. And that problem's resolved now. I'm so happy. But anyway, so um there it's like quite empty right now. Like, I think it's almost exactly how it is in the plan with me. But it's still really pretty, I think. And like, I think it was a good way to finish off January and just start February in the new planner. Like, the next plan with me is technically the first week of February according to how I organize things. So, and I've already planned that in my old planner, but I also planned it in my new planner, and it looks really cool. And now I kind of know how to do it, so next time I can do it on camera. And so, like, I'll have starting February. Oh, and the great thing about the inserts is they're undated, which is great because, like, I use stickers to cover anyway, so, like, I don't need things to be dated. But also, it it means I can use January next year or whenever, and if I decide to use other inserts, I can just swap them out. And it actually comes with really pretty dividers that are separate from the other inserts. So yeah, today I want to go get a charm because my boyfriend's mom bought me a book cover for my diary, my daily planner, and I think that was my phone. I'm sorry. And there's like the perfect spot for a charm, so I want to go get a small pretty charm for it, just to glam it up, if you want to say that. And I want to get a beautiful gold pen that I've been eyeing for like a year for my new planner because it's actually black and gold, which is so me, so I'm happy. Um, and there was something else I wanted to get as well. Oh, a loop thing for my phone because I always used pop sockets, well, off-brand pop sockets because I'm cheap like that. um, but then I just realized they took up too much space, so I tried using those rings, and they just keep on wearing out. It drives me insane. Why? Why does it wear out? Like, after like a month or so, it wears out, and that's useless. So the video ran out, so I just quickly slowed down the section. See you next time. Like, subscribe, all those YouTube things. It's just showing off the shiny foil and all that. Anyway, bye.